Experiencing a flashing yellow light on your Rogers hub XB7, XB8, or newer XB9? This usually indicates a network reception issue, often due to low signal strength or a poor signal-to-noise ratio. Think of it as your hub struggling to get a clear signal from Rogers. Specifically, the light means your hub has limited connectivity or signal acquisition failure. It's typically related to problems with the downstream or upstream channels in your cable network, often due to low signal strength or a poor signal-to-noise ratio, SNR. We'll guide you through the most common causes and how to diagnose them. Rogers' latest firmware updates, like version 7.4.1 for XB8, include AI-driven diagnostics to help pinpoint these issues, but understanding the basics is crucial for a quick fix. Let's get hands-on. The most frequent cause of a flashing yellow light is related to cable splitters or loose connections. First, check your splitters. Are they Rogers approved, one-way, or low-loss models? Cheap or mismatched splitters, like a three-way splitter, when a two-way would suffice, can significantly weaken your signal, attenuating it by 3 to 7 dB per split. Also, inspect all coaxial cable connections for corrosion and ensure they're securely tightened. Coaxial cables should be RG6 or better. Check your signal levels. You can often access these through your hub's web interface, usually at 192.168.0.1. Ideal downstream signal levels should be between -15 dBm and +15 dB, with upstream between 35 to 55 dBm. Your SNR should be above 30 dB. If your downstream is below -10 dBm or your SNR is under 25 dB, contact Rogers for a line inspection. Remember, loose F connectors and splitter overload are common culprits. Recent data shows that splitter checks are effective in 70% of cases. Replacing a faulty splitter and sealing connections can restore stable speeds.